Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. I thought in today's video I would do a what I eat in a day, and I've also gotten so many requests for what I feed Elena, so I'm also going to be doing a kind of like a mommy and me what I eat in a day in this video. I hope that this gives you some like summer yummy healthy recipe ideas along with like ideas on what you could feed your baby. Elena is almost 1 year. She'll be 1 year next month, which is so sad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. This morning I didn't really like pick up the camera to like talk, but I filmed myself making my smoothie this morning. I had a berry almond butter smoothie with banana, berries, almond butter, yogurt, and almond milk and some flaxseed. And then of course Elena wanted some of that too at the end of her breakfast, but I gave her eggs, cucumber, strawberry, and then like I said, she had some of my smoothie. So are you enjoying it, Mommy? You like the eggs? That was a big piece, huh?
She's chowing down.
Uh-oh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my lunch. Today was just a working from home day. I finished getting ready for the day and I have a couple things I need to film other than this video today, so I wanted to get all glam. So I'm actually gonna go work on lunch right now before I finish filming so that I can like film without being hangry. So let's go work on that. Before I start on lunch, I'm actually gonna make myself a decaf Nespresso. I've been on a kick recently. I've told you guys this in a previous vlog, but we just got the Nespresso Virtuo during Amazon Prime Day. And it's been like one of my favorite purchases, so let me show you. I have my little Elena's Mama cup that I made. These are the pods I've been using. They are the Decaffeinato Virtuo something. Basically, I don't drink any caffeine, not even green tea. It just hurts my stomach, and so I honestly usually avoid decaf coffee as well because it still has a little bit of caffeine, but so far I haven't had really any issues with the decaf Nespresso. So I'm gonna make that. Recently I've been like on this creamer kick. So this is the Nut Pods almond and coconut creamer. It's dairy free and I really like the taste of it. It just kind of gives it a little bit more of a smooth taste since the decaf is a little bit more bitter than I would like. But usually I'm more of like a black coffee person, but this is a really good brand. I've heard a ton of people love this brand. I know it has like the vanilla one, they have like all the other flavors, but I just got the original like plain one. Put a splash of that. And I'm gonna enjoy this while I cook. Okay, for lunch I am making a Mediterranean-ish salad, and you guys know I love my Mediterranean salads. It's just gonna have cucumber, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, red onion, Kalamata olives, and chickpeas. And I don't know exactly what I'm doing for dressing just yet. I kind of wanted to do something like a little bit different because I usually just do like lemon and olive oil or like balsamic vinegar and olive oil. All the other recipes that I saw that looked really good, they had Dijon mustard, and I don't have Dijon mustard, so we may just keep it simple again today. I also have for Elena, I'm gonna give her some leftover bean stew that is kind of like an Arabic dish. It's so easy. I'm gonna put a recipe down below, but basically it's just green beans. I did frozen, canned chopped tomatoes, salt and pepper, onion and garlic. I think that's basically it. And then I just cooked it so that the beans were like super soft And then I serve that to her with rice, and usually I have to feed that to her, but I'll show that to you guys in just a second. That is what Elena's gonna eat. And I'm gonna enjoy my little salad. I wanted to go ahead and just chat with you guys about some of my recent videos. I wanted to say thank y'all so much for all of y'all's sweet comments and words on my girl chat video. Like almost 99% of people were so nice, and almost everybody wanted a part 2, which I'm planning to still do a part 2, but I may wait a few months just because I don't know, I don't want like a ton of that kind of content on my channel. My intentions with that were really to just help women, and I feel like a lot of you guys could really see that through my words. But I did get a couple comments. I don't know why I always focus on the negative, like even if it's like 1 or 2 people literally out of hundreds, but people were like, well, these 2 people, they were like, Lena, that is so trashy, like you are not modest, like I don't know, I just started feeling really bad about myself after I read those. But I just have to like keep reminding myself of how, I don't know, there's so many more positive people out there, and most of you guys are so supportive and kind, so I love all of you for that. Something else that I did want to chat with you guys about is that we have another trip coming up. I feel like it's been every month recently that we've been going somewhere. It went from nowhere at all to like every month we're going somewhere. But we're going to California, we're going to LA, and we're going to Santa Barbara. I saw Aysha Haroon. I will leave her channel linked below. I love her. I saw her in one of her videos go to Santa Barbara, and I was like, I want to go there so bad. So we have an H&M event that we're going to in LA, and we decided to just make a trip out of it. I was like, I love LA, I miss it. And then I saw how pretty Santa Barbara was. I'm like, okay, we need to go there. So it's just gonna be me, Omar, and Elena going to Santa Barbara, and then we're meeting with Amanda and Lauren in LA, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. It'll just be kind of like a little girls trip plus Omar. So it'll be really fun. Another one of my favorite things ever during the summer, watermelon with feta. So I'm gonna put this on the side, kind of just like as a little snack with my lunch, but it's so delicious. This is literally one of the things I grew up eating. Comment down below if you guys grew up eating watermelon and feta cheese. So excited for this. Also, I just want to quickly mention the feta that I've discovered that I really love is this brand. It's so yummy and creamy. I could have probably made this salad a little bit more, I don't know, filling with some quinoa or something, or like chicken, but I think I put enough chickpeas in there that I should be good. And for Elena, I am gonna heat her up some rice and some bean stew. This is called, what is this called again, Omar?
Fasuli.
Fasulia, yeah. It's basically green beans and tomato sauce, but she loves it. I just finished eating, and I'm about to film some stories for Nordstrom. They came out with a hijab collection, you guys. I am loving this representation. They actually collaborated with a Black-owned brand called Henna and Hijabs. It's a beautiful Muslim-owned business. They really created some of the most beautiful scarves ever. You guys know I don't wear a lot of prints, but I really wanted to showcase this print because I just thought it was so subtle and neutral and so elegant, so I still really wanted to wear it. But let me show you guys a couple of the other pieces. Some gorgeous silks, some like chiffons and viscose, a bunch of different materials and patterns. Oh my gosh, look at this pattern. So gorgeous. So anyways, I'm about to film these stories. It is a few hours later. I finished up work for the day, finished filming, and I also finished up the computer stuff that I needed to do. So I am about to start on dinner. How many times have I made pesto pasta on my channel? I feel like I've made it so many times, but I am gonna make it a little bit differently today, maybe. I'm gonna make it with shrimp, and then I love, this is the brand I always use, Jovial, for gluten-free pasta, but I love the egg noodles, you guys. They're so delicious. Oh my God. so good. I'm gonna go ahead and whip this up, and Elena is also gonna have some of this with me. I just cut up some peaches to give to Elena. They're super soft and sweet. She loves them, and they're really in season right now. So I'm gonna give this to her as a snack before dinner. I changed my scarf back because I didn't want to mess up the other one while I was cooking. But I have a whole box of basil. I use this little ninja bullet thing for like literally everything. You guys, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, why have I not been using this before? It's pre-peeled garlic. Literally amazing. I'm gonna do 3 cloves because they're a little small. I feel like I've made this so many times on my channel. I'm sorry, you guys. I need some more recipes. Olive oil, like a tablespoon. And I actually am gonna use walnuts today because I don't have any pine nuts with me, but it still turns out just as good. So I'm gonna do a handful, probably about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then I always add just like a dash of water so it blends up better. There is a fly that has been in my kitchen for like a week and I don't know how to get rid of it. It's one of those that's like so fast. Like I can try so hard to get it, but it's just determined to live here. I posted a picture of my watermelon and feta on my stories today, like, and I did a little poll like yes or what, and there was like over 50% people said what. I was expecting a lot more people to like know what watermelon and feta was, but they are missing out. I'm telling you, it's so good. And actually some people messaged me, they were like, Lena, you have to eat it with mint. I was like, you're right, but I didn't have any mint, but that sounds so good. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some of that like tomorrow too. So yummy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally forgot I wanted to add avocado to my pesto this time. I heard it makes it a lot creamier. I haven't done this in so long and I basically forgot what it tasted like. So we're gonna add avocado and it'll add lots of good healthy fats and stuff, especially since Elena's gonna be eating it too. I just got pesto like all in my eye and all over my shirt whenever I was taking this off. I don't know how that happened, but basically I just tried it. I haven't tried it with avocado in years and it's delicious. It's so creamy. You can't even really taste the avocado. So good. You guys have to do that next time you make pesto. Please ignore my pan. I need to get new pans, but my caraway ones are just completely destroyed and that's all I have right now. But I don't know why I'm weird about cooking my raw shrimp with my pasta, even though, I don't know, I'm sure it will be fine. But anyways, I'm gonna cook this up and then I'll put it with the pasta at the end. Oh my goodness, you guys, you have to add avocado to your pesto next time. It is like so amazing. I'm not gonna make it without it. Again, it's so creamy. Wow, so yummy. Here is Elena's little portion. I am gonna probably, I am gonna mash this up just so it's easier for her to chew, just because I worry about her stuffing the whole thing in her mouth. Okay, I went ahead and mashed up 1 piece of shrimp. I'll see if she eats all of it, and if she does, then I'll mash up another one. But this is Elena's portion, and I am gonna feed this to her because I don't think she's ever eaten something like that by herself. She could. Let's see if, oh god. Also, she had another outfit change today. What do you think, Mama? Elena, do you like it?
I think she likes it.
That's so cute. Yummy, 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 yummy. You can do the happy food dance. She bounces around whenever she likes it. It's so cute. I honestly would usually feed something like this to Elena, mainly because I guess it gets super messy, but she's enjoying eating it by herself, so I'm just letting her have at it. Oh gosh. Okay.
She's gonna need another outfit change.
She's gonna need a 4th outfit change of the day. She's going for the shrimp actually first. We lost our bow and we're very messy. But I also wanted to mention that I do give her water with every meal. This one's kind of messy right now. I have a bunch of silicone serveware from the brand Scandiborn, and then also her bib is from a brand called Lulu Lollipop. So I wanted to mention those brands as well. The only thing, if any of you guys have any tips, I try to only serve water in these because I feel like the silicone plates and bowls and cups and stuff, they actually like absorb a lot of flavors and even like soap flavors. So let me know if any of you guys have that experience as well, or if like I'm doing something wrong. I have washed them in the washing machine, in the dishwasher. So maybe I'm doing that wrong. Maybe I should only hand wash them. Let me know what you guys think. Did you enjoy it? I think she liked it. This was on the floor, but she ate most of it all by herself. Oh, okay. She wouldn't even really let me feed her. Okay, let's go take a bath. Somebody's ready for a bath and bedtime. We just finished up bath time, and I'm letting her play a little bit more to get her energy out before she goes to sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some tea. This is the Moroccan mint by Numi that I love so much. And I use Omar's kettle, which takes forever because it's meant for pour over coffee, but I just use it anyways. You guys know I'm obsessed with my coconut date rolls. So I'm gonna have a couple of these too. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what me and Elena eat in a day. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.